Alright, what's on everyone? I'm Tristan, and today in this video what we're doing, I'm about to show y'all a bunch of stuff that we, not we, but my friends picked up today. You got my boy Ian right there chilling. But basically just a bunch of stuff that we picked up, or they picked up. I don't know why I keep saying we, because I didn't even get anything really. I'm gonna show you guys basically my friends' pickups. They picked up like $1,000 plus worth of stuff. It's crazy. It's a lot of stuff. I filmed this at 2 different times. It wasn't that far apart, but it was the same day too, so I'm just filming this now. Really just telling you all. So I forgot to film an intro, but I just hope you guys will enjoy this video. If you want more like this, go ahead and subscribe. Drop a like to any of that. And also drop a like in this video too, because we got the giveaway going on right now for the Supreme Super Soaker. Y'all know that right here. Y'all seen that. Basically I'm doing a giveaway for it. So if you guys want to enter in that, have a chance to win, all y'all gotta do is like this video and basically go in the description, enter through the post right there, me and Vintage Flame. Y'all know who too. We done plenty of giveaways. Now we're doing that. You filming me, bro? It's hard to do your intro since I'm filming you. See?
You're filming yourself.
I know, but you film me too. I'm kidding. It doesn't matter. I'm just playing with you. But yeah, we're gonna get straight in this video, so I hope you guys will enjoy that. And yeah, let's get started. Alright, show us what stuff you got, Ian, today.
Alright, so today,
For the video.
Yesterday I got these revenge storms.
Alright.
Shout out to Good Times, they're the Velcro pair.
Yeah, true.
Nice.
Those are nice, those are nice.
The revenge storm on the bottom.
Put them up too.
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
true, it's a light.
Off the poop on the back.
True.
My second caught, this was today. Got the heaters.
Yes, sir.
Off-white blazers.
Off-white blazers, true. These are hard. I mess with these sorters, but I was like saying the swoosh is just like, I don't know.
Too big.
Yeah, I don't know. I couldn't see myself rocking it. Like obviously this boy's gonna wear long leg. But I guess you're on your long leg too now.
But yeah, and all this stuff is really nice.
Like that's hard. The box
paper's nice, the inside out box. I like the whole vibe of it.
Yeah.
It's pretty dope though.
Yeah. And like the design, like the print on the inside, the text right there.
Yeah, no, that's sick.
That's sick, sort of like the original location, all that.
But yeah.
Yo, it's my cat. What the bro, my cat's walking. Hey, chill. What the are you doing? Okay, hold up. I'm gonna be back in the video in a second. Alright, we're gonna be reviewing Ian stuff by the time we get back to the video. I'm grabbing my cat. Those are hard on foot. Look at those.
Preach. Got the revenge on the tongue.
Y'all see those? I zoomed in for a quick sec.
The lightning bolt on the back.
Yeah.
Follow me on Instagram. Rawboy Archive.
Rawboy Archive, follow that boy. You too. What's your Instagram?
Lil Jupiter.
Lil Jupiter.
And I have 3 accounts. One
Alright.
Lil Jupiter, one LILUZIVERT, and then my third one, like I don't use that much. My third one is IANNLEWIS.
Alright, yeah.
Ian Lewis.
So,
It will be in description.
Yeah.
And then both my Instagram, or all 3 of my Instagrams will be in the description. Lil Jupiter, Lil Zebra, and Ian Lewis.
Woo! Alright, while Ian's checking his streaks, alright, off his iPad since his new phone's getting
I don't
updated.
have streaks. I'm just looking at Snapchat. Streaks are whack.
Alright, well my bad. Yeah, because those are whack. True. Alright, we got some pickups though and stuff, so we're just gonna go over that. So first one, this one I thought was pretty nice, you know. Here, I'm gonna show y'all the bag. Cost, y'all see this? Because he was a New York boy for a few days. He went to New York. Did some traveling, didn't ya?
Did some traveling.
Good traveling in ya. Drove some traveling in them. Look at what he did to himself. Pants are actually dipped though. Look at those. Those are sick.
Floor.
Floor.
Back on the front, you got the Lacoste.
Yeah, Tyler clothing brand. Collaborating with Lacoste. It ain't his merch. It's a clothing brand.
It was like exactly the same as that Lacoste collab.
See what I mean? That was weird.
This collab.
Is it exact same as which one?
Jackets.
Oh, the
It's
track
like the same
Supreme
model.
one.
It's like the same model track jacket, and it was like 2 different colors. Well, this one doesn't.
True.
Have. Like his, the red and white one, 2 different colors. So it's just like a different line.
Yeah, true. So we got that Lacoste. Golf Lacoste pants. Those are pretty hard. I couldn't see myself in that colorway, but you know.
I don't know. Was there another colorway?
I don't know. Probably. Yeah. That's probably what was left.
Got for cross country. Bop.
Y'all see that? What he did to him right there on him? Those are hard. Explain.
Got them for cross country. I'll be running in these.
Yeah.
Crazy. And the tag is like furry too.
The tag is furry. Yo, the tag is furry, y'all. Yeah, this is a weird material. I can explain it to y'all. This is different. I haven't seen it before with that. Yeah, in the box. It's pretty cool, I'd say, you know. Trying to get a thumbnail right here, you know.
They got the holes in it.
Yeah, this is different for sure. Those are some power shoes I said for cross country right there. I already showed y'all his other pickup, that one, the baby tee. That one is legendary.
And also
so insane.
I got this. It's kind of wrinkly because I wore it. Pasta.
True. Where's this from? Palace?
Yeah, Palace.
Palace tees. Y'all see that? The design on the front.
Pasta down too. Quality.
Quality, and then yeah, the pasta stuff in the back. So he got the shoes, Palace tee, golf pants, which are now the ground sideways, and he got the baby tee, which I think my personal favorite is that one, and the Cardi tee, which Yeah, he got the Playboy card a few days ago. So yeah, we got a lot of pickups, you know, between you and Ian.
Get something online.
Yeah, true. We're about to look online too for some stuff that he's about to buy. So yeah, I showed y'all those. Now we're gonna do that, boy. Yes, sir. Oh, and I got gas station food because we filmed the other Ian's part before, but we're gonna put his maybe after. I don't know when I put it.
Ian Joseph stole my shoes.
What?
I got these like
What shoes did he expose?
Got these like a week
Expose.
ago.
He stole those. All right,
And now he got them.
Oh, now he going. He stole your swags. What you saying?
Stole my swag.
Not your shoes. He stole your swag.
A lot of people got those, but like in our little
Well, you OG.
friend
You're
group.
OG with it. Oh.
In our friend group, we
Got you. And some other stuff that Ian had picked up was something in this Louis Vuitton box. I have to check it, but he told me he did. All right, yeah, he did pick up like this little Louis Vuitton bracelet. I remember I wanted to buy this off him. I was gonna buy this. This is hard. Like I really messed like the black and white pattern here. I'll try and get this to focus so y'all can see it. But yeah, like I was gonna cop this off him for like $190. I don't remember. I was gonna cop this. He coming, but yeah, I didn't end up getting it because it didn't fit around my wrist. That sucked.
It doesn't fit around my wrist either.
Yeah, this thing is big. This thing mad big. What are you doing? Look at him rocking those pants. So hard. Chill. Chill. He also got these way long ago. I don't know why he ordered this many cough drops. He hasn't sold them, hasn't touched them, hasn't done anything with them. He literally just ate them because he's weird. But you know what? We're gonna let Ian do his thing with that, with the cough drops. Alright, you know, him just eating those. They're not even like cough drops. They're like candy. Like they're such like low like percentages of like, hard to explain basically, but yeah, there's some other stuff he had picked up. That's really all the pickups for this video. Thousands of dollars of stuff we just showed off really right there. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video, but let's roll the outro right now. Anyway, so y'all, I'm filming this outro really quick because I filmed the intro twice and I really just needed to film this outro once. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Let me know if you guys want more content like this. I mean, this was just like a quick little HYPEBEAST pickups video, but this is a lot of stuff, so this is probably one of the bigger unboxings or videos we've done with picking up stuff on this channel. But also go enter in that Supreme Super Soaker giveaway right here. Y'all know what this is. You've seen it before. I've shown it on the channel. I have it in hand. Go enter in that giveaway. Just go to the post in the description and make sure you like this video too. That's all you got to do to enter. Just gotta make sure you like the video each time. And yeah, we got my boy Ian right here reminding y'all to like that video. But yeah, yeah, but make sure y'all do that. That's really it for this video, so I really do appreciate it. And yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video, so make sure you stay tuned, subscribe, like, do any of that. Comment below. Most comments, I'll give a Supreme sticker. I do that every video now. And yeah, hey, that's it though. All right, peace out in this video, y'all. I'll see you in the next one.